Today's keto bite: all carbs are not created equal. When you're doing the keto diet, it's important to get your macronutrient balance right. The amount of carbs, protein, and fat have to be in a certain proportion to each other. First thing people notice when doing keto is that all carbs are counted equally. It's kind of shocking when you first discover that for carb consumption, your spinach is treated the same as bread, which is treated the same as sugar. Weird. For keeping yourself in keto, carbs are carbs are carbs. Our minds rebel at this. How can those super healthy vegetables be the same as a bowl full of sugar? So follow me here. If you want to stay in keto, you have to treat all carbs the same. But they are definitely not the same when it comes to your overall health. The keto diet is done for many reasons. Some want to lose weight. Some want to change their body fat ratio so that you have more muscle compared to fat, even if you weigh the same. Some need to work on their pancreas to let it start functioning properly again, to get out of insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Yes, the keto diet can help with that in a big way. If you have any of those serious health problems, as always, check with your doctor. If you're starting a diet or anything and you have diabetes or something like that, you know with your own common sense that a spoon of sugar is not the same as a big bowl of spinach. Your body also knows that. The spinach has an incredible array of minerals, plus vitamins, plus chlorophyll, as well as fiber, which you really need. Sugar has sugar. Spinach will help your body rebuild and cleanse. It will help keep your skin beautiful. Sugar will give you fat, insulin resistance, and diabetes. So when you're figuring out your daily meals, remember, carbs are not created equal. All carbs must be counted equally when figuring your macros for your keto numbers. But if you want your body to be happy and healthy, make sure that the carbs you do eat are the highest quality. Ditch the sugar and refined carbs so you can ditch the health problems. Bring on the green vegetables and bring on the health. And one final note about kale, which kale gets a lot of press, especially around keto. But approximately half of the population has a gene called the MTHFR gene. If you have this gene, you cannot process the form of B vitamins in kale. Yeah, there's more than one form of B vitamins. There's regular B vitamins and methylated B vitamins. If you have this gene and you eat kale, you won't feel good. I personally have this gene. Kale makes me feel terrible. I would always see people raving about kale, and I would eat it and I'd feel like crap, and I thought there was something wrong with me, which in a way there was, because I have this gene. So if you have that same situation, don't feel weird. There's a reason. Your body doesn't like kale. Spinach and Swiss chard are much better alternatives, and to me, they taste way better. They have vitamins, minerals, everything you want out of green vegetables, and especially the fiber. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.